Hello, I'm Nuza. Welcome to Intense Flavor. Today I'm making a lime tart. For this recipe, I'll be using 300 grams of crushed digestive biscuits, 150 grams of butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 397 grams, 300 milliliters of fresh whipping cream, 200 grams of cream cheese, juice of 4 limes, zest of 4 limes, and a 26 centimeter round springform tin. In a saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Once melted, turn off the heat and mix in the biscuits until combined. You can also do this in the microwave, but be careful not to overheat the butter. Spread the biscuit mixture in the tin. Press it down firmly with a spatula to form a compact base. Keep the base in the fridge or freezer until firm while you prepare the filling. In a bowl, whip the cream until thick and firm. Gradually add the condensed milk, the lime juice, and the cream cheese, whisking well. Finally, add half of the lime zest and mix until smooth. The filling may look a little runny, but once chilled, it will set perfectly. Pour the cream over the biscuit base. Tap the tin lightly on the table to spread it evenly. Refrigerate for about 5 hours until firm and chilled. Before serving, run a knife around the edge and remove the ring. With a spatula or knife, carefully lift the tart from the base. If you enjoyed this dessert, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy!